How to fix WeChat storage full issue. Hey guys, let's get started. If you're having some troubles on your WeChat application due to the storage, here are two fixes which should help. So without any ado, let's get started. First of all, open settings of your device. Scroll down until you find applications and tap on it. Then click on see all apps. Now on the search bar, type in WeChat. Make sure to avoid any of the typos. Once you have done it, you will land to its application page or info page. From here, tap on storage and cache and then clear the cache and then clear the storage. However, deleting it will delete the app's data including files and settings. So if you're sure, tap on continue. Now go back to the previous page. Then tap on battery option, and if it is set to unrestricted, make sure to select on optimized, which should help. And this way your storage issue should be fixed. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.